In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can send GIFs on Snapchat. You can simply send Snapchat GIFs to either your friends or comment with a GIF on Spotlight videos on Snapchat. To do this, simply open up your Snapchat. Head into your chat section. You will have to select any chat of your own choice. To send them a GIF, tap on the sticker icon right here. Then click on the GIF sticker on your bottom part of the keyboard just right here. You will see different kind of GIF stickers. Select any you would like to send them and it will get sent successfully. That's how easy it is to send GIF stickers on Snapchat. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.